So see here we got the r value, small r value, and also r naught. So displacement is nothing but this is displacement. So see here r minus of r naught is nothing but the displacement, that is nothing but the a naught of a. So that is displacement for equal to r minus of r naught. So r is value and r is having a r also, we know the r value and also r naught. By substitution we will get the d value. See here we took LCM, this one and this one. So by using of LCM we will get this expression. Okay, and after that this will be cancels. Okay, only remains RF by RFH divided by H of H minus of H. Okay, so we will get the D formula and rearrange the term by using of the first equation. I want capital R, so I have to rearrange the terms, and also in this cases equation 2 I want a capital R, so I will rearrange the R from 1 and 2. So by using of rearrange the data, so rearrange the data. Okay, r is nothing but the by using of equation rearranging r I got, and by using of equation rearranged r is I got this one expression. By using of these all, okay, by using of these all, again I have to substitution, again I have to substitute in 3. So I got 3 values. So what is 3 formula? R of fh divided by h of h minus 1. First I will put this r value. By using of this value, by using of this value, I will put in r, I will put in d. So by using of this I will get this expression. Okay, and further by using of this expression I will put in equation D. Okay, so equation D becomes this one. Okay, equation D became this one. So from about two equations I got the D. We can conclude it. Displacement decreases with the increases in the flying height. See here, decreases and increases with the flying height, and second point is greater the elevation, greater the amount of relief distance. See here, greater the, in these cases, greater the relief distance, greater the relief displacement, and relief displacement increases as the from principal point increases. The relief displacement of the point vertically of the exposure station is 0. And next concept is height of object from the relief displacement. So see here this one figure. In this case, in this figure, what will tells, will explain it. So see here, if scale of the photograph is known as the relief displacement equation can be used to determine the height of an object. Let h be the, see here, h be the, small h be the height of the tower, and capital H be the height of the exposure station above the datum. Let T and B be the top and bottom positions of the tower of photograph. The radial distance small r and relief distance is small d easily can measured. Okay, so scale formula is S equal to F by H. So D equal to RH divided by capital H. So I want small h value. Okay, so by using of small h I will rearrange the term, and h formula is dh divided by r. If the elevation of the bottom of the tower is known as the height of flight above the ms can be known as, that formula is h equal to dh divided by r. Okay, from this equation